So here's 6770 Brook Forest. I was able to actually get out and film it today because I was in the area, and luckily they just let me in to take a look. All right, I'll go on the other side of these big old trees there. And it's a corner lot, which is nice. Pretty good sized lot. All right, I'm gonna head inside. All right, so I'm coming up the stairs here. Got a nice covered porch. Windows look newer. So I'm heading inside. There's a little bit of an odor in here. Cannot quite place it. You have older metal windows. I wonder if it's the pond. No, I wouldn't smell inside the house. But that's kind of cool. And we have a koi pond at our house. It's pretty cool. All right. So these windows are a little bit older, but they don't look in bad condition. As I say that, I look a little closer. It's hard to say. I'll take out a look-see here in the back. We got AC. Good size yard. If the pond works, it's good. If it doesn't work, not good. Because they're not cheap to repair. Exterior could use some work. Some work around the window edges. Not a perfect house, but if you like it, it could be worth seeing what kind of deal you can get. Carpet could use some cleaning anyways. It's like a wood burning fireplace. Oh, fish tank. That could be the smell I was smelling too. So here you got a half bath. Needs interesting light choice. You got your laundry. A little lip in the floor right there. Carpet could use a little cleaning here as well. Okay, so it looks like they lost part of the garage to the laundry room. So maybe a teeny tiny car you could fit in that side. Obviously you can fit a big old truck in here. And it smells like cigarettes out in the garage. So they may have smoked in the garage. By may have, I could probably pretty confidently say that I'm sure they did. All right, so come down to the basement. I almost hit my head on that ceiling there. This feels like it was dug out of the crawl space. So it feels like this is just something extra they did. We'll just see if they pulled permits for it. But just looking, doesn't look like it's up to code, but I'm no foundational expert. But I'm pretty positive this was done after the fact. And furnace is pretty new. What is... yeah. Just another couple of rooms down here. Can't be bedrooms because there's no windows, just extra rooms. Huh. Oh, let the light on. All right, so I'm back upstairs. Got guest room. These windows are newer up here. That one's not. Normal closet. Good size master. Newer windows. Okay. That goes into the toilet and tub shower combo. All right, so that's the home. Not totally sure what to think about it. Well, here's the closet. Big closet. Definitely has potential, but that dugout crawl space part of the basement would cause me a little pause. Oh, I never looked at this bathroom, I don't think. Here's the hallway bathroom. So it's a 2.5 bathroom because there's no shower in that laundry room bathroom. The laundry room bathroom takes up a lot of the... Oh, here's a big closet. Yeah, all right, well, that's it.